Welcome back on the VS channel, guys. I just bought the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is the hazelnut, and of course I also have the case for it, Pixel 9 Pro XL. So in this video I'm going to unbox this unit and of course do some first impression. Now I can show you something, guys. This here is the 9 Pro XL, 256 gigabytes with 16 GB of RAM. And initially, guys, this Pixel is the phone that I didn't want to buy. There was a lot of negative reviews out there, the fact that it's not so much different from the Pixel 8 Pro in terms of what is inside, but in terms of what is outside, it's a whole new, brand new phone. And also because a lot of people were hating on it, it kind of became the underdog, and I decided to buy it. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing. What we also can see, this is very strange, we have these two stripes here, so we have to remove those stripes. Carefully put them back in the pocket, and then, guys, and I think I see this for the first time, how does this go? All right, something like that. This is not so straightforward, by the way, and what I kind of like is that the box itself feels really from recycled paper. All right, and this is how it goes away. Okay, so remove this part here, and voila, you get the phone like this. All right, so this is the box. I'm gonna put it there. So without the cover, the box, we have here a print version of the phone, and then hopefully we are now able to get the inside. Inside, of course, we have the Pixel. Before that, also, I guess this is the booklet. All right, so we have a booklet here, hopefully also with a SIM card tool ejector. I'm gonna put this aside and then, guys, give you the phone. So down below you can see clearly recycled paper. Also down below we have a USB-C cable. Somewhere inside we should be able to find the SIM card ejector. Again, it looks kind of nice, see everything recycled. Let's put this away. Now let's focus on the phone. This is, again, this paper feels like a recycled one, so I'm gonna carefully try to tear this apart. All right, and you know what, let's do it quickly. Brand new Pixel 9 Pro XL. All right, this is me first time looking at the Pixel. 221 grams, and it feels weird. It doesn't really feel like a Pixel phone. I can tell you why, because see these corners here, guys. All right, this is kind of like, I guess, the biggest change is this new design. So we have Gorilla Victus Steel on the back, it's glass. We have also Gorilla Victus Steel on the front. All right, I'm gonna try to start it. Okay, now I'm just pressing the volume rocker here. I'm gonna try to start it here from the power button. Okay, on the back here we have the speaker, the USB-C, and then also, of course, we have the microphone and the SIM card slot. Only one SIM and one eSIM. On the left side, guys, we have the volume rocker. Volume rocker, by the way, feels nice. We have the power button. This side is just plain, nothing there. And here, guys, we do have, again, antennas, microphone. Now this is the hazelnut color. This was actually the only one available in the shop, and I of course also bought the matching case with this. But let's just first start the phone, guys, and then I'm gonna also try to unbox the case. Welcome to the Pixel. Okay, so I'm gonna get started here. English, United States. Set up using another device, Pixel or Android device. I'm gonna set it up as a new device, guys, because I just want to experience it brand new. I'm gonna try to set it up offline because right now I don't have Wi-Fi because I'm outside. All right, limited warranty, first thing you can check. So we have Austria and etc. Of course, my country isn't there at all, which means I'm probably not getting a lot of the supported features out there. I'm gonna press next. Now I'm gonna try to set up a pin. I can try to set up a pin, guys. All right, I'm re-entering my pin. As you can see, everything is here in real time. Set up the fingerprint unlock. I'm gonna press agree. This is one change here in this new Pixel, guys. We do have for the first time an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which means that it's not an optical one, which means that during the night you're not going to risk to lose your eyesight. Okay, and people are saying that it's not so fast compared to others, and that probably it is on par with the optical one in the Pixel 8 Pro. But honestly, I do believe that ultrasonic is always better, all right, because you can just use it in the night with a higher level of comfort, specifically for your eyes, and also it has a higher scanning area. Set up face unlock. I am not gonna set it up, so I'm gonna press no thanks. Get peace of mind. Your Pixel comes with safety features to help you be prepared. We have the Pixel Satellite SOS coming to selected countries, and of course I'm gonna get notified when this is available for me, hopefully very soon, but in reality probably never, because I live in Bulgaria. It's a non-supported country. Crisis alerts, more in the personal safety app. I'm gonna press next. Getting your phone ready, guys, and what is important to understand is this here is a 6.8-inch super actual display. All right, so swipe to navigate. I'm gonna press try it. What I want to see really is how bright this thing is, because it should be able to do 2000 nits high brightness mode up to 3000, right, which is kind of good. So go back, and this is going to be also my first test and also part of the first impression. Switch applications, try again. All right, everything nice. So I'm going to press done, and you can see, boom, I will now hopefully go to the home screen or to the home settings, and with this I present to you the Pixel 9 Pro. Now I am shooting this, it's I think almost like 6:30, right, and we can see the brightness slider went up, and the display is, by the way, very visible, so I don't have any big complaints right now. Okay, this is it. And you might as well also wonder what type of Android is running on this Pixel, but honestly guys, I think it's clear, no Android 15 right now. It is still running Android 14, because Android 15 will just hopefully come in a matter of a month and a half, so hopefully September, who knows, even October. So this is the Pixel 9 XL Pro. The first impression is, feels familiar, because again it looks a lot like an iPhone. I like the way it feels also solid in the hand. It doesn't really feel like a chip device. This here is a bit weird. It's also very sticky when I'm just putting my fingerprints over here. It feels really like an iPhone with Android, so to speak, right now. Also, let me show you something, guys. If I go inside the settings, right, we have the familiar Pixel menu. I want to open something with a white background. Why? Well, let me just try to see where I can find something like this. Let me try to see where I'm able to find a white background to just also be able to understand how bright this baby can go. Straight out of the box, 66% of battery. Okay, here we have a display, so I will now turn it off. I'm gonna choose the bright, the normal theme. So right now this is the display, guys. I want to check also what is the standard resolution, and the standard resolution, guys, is not the full one. It's running 1080p-224. I'm gonna switch it to the full resolution, right, which is now hopefully giving me the full Pixel experience. And you can see here, right, really bright. Now I can open something with a white background. It is absolutely visible. I don't have internet right now, so of course everything's gonna be in a matter of time. A lot of these new things, guys, inside will be here inside the camera application. So this Pixel also has 5x optical zoom, so it has the same 50 megapixel main camera, but then it has 48 megapixel a new ultra-wide camera. All right, I can probably just demonstrate it like this. So I'm just gonna shoot something 1x. So this is now the standard 50 megapixel back camera. This is here the ultra-wide, okay, and it does also have 5x optical zoom, and it has some things like super enhance. So potentially, let's go up to 30. Let's see if we can just snag a shot like 30. Smooth, but wow, this was nice, by the way. See, and a lot of post-processing. So let's try to do it one more time. I'm just gonna try to aim at, let's say, this. Boom, opening it. The processing is definitely faster than what we use to have in the Pixel 8 Pro, and this is the initial zoom lens cycle when we're doing videos. So let's just try to show you guys also the video part. So I'm gonna go back to the photo, I'm gonna change the video. Also something that is quite new, guys, this is the first Pixel to be able to shoot 8K. I'm not sure now how I can trigger it, but I'm 100% sure that it should be able to do 8K. Now I'm gonna do 4K 60 FPS. So this is 4K 60 FPS. Can we do ultra wide to 1x? We can. This is the transition. Okay, 2x is a crop from the main sensor. All right, and then we have 5x. By the way, it is optical. And now, guys, I'm able to go up to 20. All right, so you can see it's actually not that bad at all. Probably on par with the S24 Ultra. This is, of course, some things that we still have to test. It has also some nice gimmicks like the Add Me feature where I can shoot somebody, or let's say even myself, then just go back, shoot and add myself one more time. There are also other tricks like the Pixel Studio, and of course there is a lot of AI incorporated into these things, all right? There is really a lot of AI. Also, you're getting 1 year of subscription for Gemini Live. I think this is how they call it. A lot of these things are not going to work in the area where I am, so I have to probably sideload them, like for example, screenshot, Pixel screenshot, whatever they call it, right? Like this one here. And the Pixel should be able to analyze all of your screenshots and etc. But I'm going to be testing this in the next few days. Right now I can only say this feels really very comfy in the hand, not an issue at all with these rounded corners. It has a nice design, nice build quality, no fingerprints here on the back, right? Only here on the sides, which I guess are aluminum. We have of course the new camera setup, again a new ultra wide, then we have here a 5x, and guys also we have a brand new 48 megapixel front camera, so it should be quite superior with the selfies. And before I forget guys, let me just try to put the Pixel under my arm and let me try to unbox the case here. Again, they're using this nice carbon paper. I read a lot of nice reviews guys about this, about the cases. So, oh, wow, let me show you this guys. Long forgotten. Now this is how they used to do Samsung cases before they changed it. Inside we have this soft fabric, all right. We have metal buttons here, which is kind of nice. Also the logo, the Google logo is a metal one. And I'm gonna try to take the phone and put it here, and boom, fell asleep, guys. Whew, wow. With the case, I think case complements the design of the phone, and it feels even better with the case. How is it grip wise? I think it is nice. So guys, I will have to now clean my mess I did here with this real-time unboxing. Okay, so there are some downsides in terms of specs. UFS is not 4.0 because the Tensor 4 that is 4nm supports only UFS 2.1. The GPU is the same. It's I think Mali 715, same as last year, but clocked at higher speed. So hardware wise there are some upgrades. Also for the first time 16GB of RAM. So for sure it will be a better device compared to the Pixel 8 Pro. The question is how much better than the Pixel 8 Pro, and also how will it stack against the S24 Ultra, the iPhones and all the other Androids in the world. So please join me in the next few days and weeks unveiling the secret of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please enjoy this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, like it. Stay safe, VST over and bye.